who is constantly suffering from jaw pain, then there is one silent trigger that is causing it, and maybe you are not aware about it. And that trigger is stress. Yes, you heard me right. In fact, stress is one very important factor for jaw pain. Why does that happen? Let's understand in this video. Let's get started. Friends, your jaw muscles are the muscles which are affected highest amount when it comes to stress. Whenever we get stress, we use one particular muscle called as masseter muscle, which is on the side of your jaw excessively. This could be because of constant teeth grinding, pressing of your teeth, and practicing intense pressure on the neck region due to your postural changes. Now, whenever your neck alignment is something that is affected, your posture has changed, there is going to be a tremendous amount of pressure that will fall on the neck region. Why does this happen? This happens because of weakness of the back of your neck muscle. The back of the neck muscle gets tensed and tight. At the same time, the muscle in the front of the neck becomes weak. Along with that, the muscles on the side also becomes tight, at the same time sometimes weak. Now, due to all this imbalance that's present in the neck region, the impact starts falling on your skull. So there is this muscle that starts from the base of your skull and goes till your forehead region. This muscle is called as frontalis. At the same time, there's one more muscle which is called as temporalis muscle, which is on your side. This is directly connected to your jaw and this muscle of the jaw, which is called as masseter muscle. Now, whenever you are tensed due to forward head posture, due to the grinding, or else due to the habit of putting pressure here and tensed muscle around the temporalis, these all muscle gets constantly triggered. This constant trigger puts pressure on your jaw region and will give you jaw pain. So, if you are having jaw pain, there is a very high possibility that this jaw pain could be because of your poor posture, at the same time stress. But alone, it is not necessary that will give you jaw pain. Sometimes if you have got articular problem, like problem in your temporomandibular joint or else jaw joint, where there could be some bone related changes like your deep bite or else arthritis of the temporomandibular joint or else damage to the temporomandibular joint, even that can give you jaw pain. So what's the ideal solution? Take a medical help. See a dentist, a physiotherapist, or else a physician. They would be able to assess you, evaluate you, and come to a right diagnosis. Once the right diagnosis has been made, then only the right treatment can be done. And I have a good news for you. If you are someone who constantly feels jaw pain, then reach out to us. We will have a consultation arranged for you where a dentist and a physiotherapist both will evaluate you for your jaw pain and will help you to come up and arrive with the right diagnosis. Once the right diagnosis is made, it's very easy to do the treatment part, which incorporates exercises, lifestyle modification, some appliances needs to be used if it is an articular condition, but the right treatment when done at right time can prevent the jaw pain going worse. So what are you waiting for? Reach out to us to get more details about this. Thank you.